Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of Dr. Martens women's boots. This is Colbert 1460 Colbert dark brown, and let's start by opening this box. Since it's winter here in Canada, this is nice. So this was usually for postman and police, because of the comfort of the boots sole. So what's inside this is a dark brown with a horse leather. I mean a classic crazy horse leather and a faux fur lining. And so as you can see, this is like dark brown with a signature yellow stitching of Dr. Martens. This can be used like putting it like this. If you want your feet warm all the way. And this one is water resistant and grit and salt resistant. So because here in Canada they put salt on the snow to avoid slippery road, so this will resist the salt. This is a winter grip sole, a PVC rubber hybrid sole built with groove cleats and superior traction, grip and durability on slippery surfaces. And this is made of a suede. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.